What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are having a good day. It's been a while since I uploaded an actual video. I went live 2 weeks ago playing the game called The Binding of Isaac. Yep, autism. So, today we're just gonna go over these...
Wide Putin looking motherfucker.
These autistic looking...
Hey, look at me, no, show me first. Hey, I don't look like Wide Putin anymore.
It's Cameron.
This is what I look like now. I don't look like Wide Putin. You ready for Wide Putin? Alright, we're gonna do Wide Putin first.
Bro.
Wide Putin looking motherfucker.
What is that? Look at this dumb man boy.
Hey guys,
No.
Put on captain.
No.
I know it's been 2 weeks since I made a video.
Cameron, get something to eat. Yeah,
Get something to eat now.
I got hot.
Debbie, making YouTube videos is hard. Anyway. Yeah, right. Yo.
We're gonna try and find my old channel. I'm like, oh my god!
Move your fish's feet.
Oh, I just go up. Oh, I found 6. Where's Emily?
Upstairs.
Emily!
Oh, man. Camel.
You know, remember I'm Kevin?
Look at that dumb man boy.
Remember Brody? Yo. I was in school and I spilled my...
Text me. Not text me. What? Comment down below, bro.
Comment down below in the comments.
Comment down below.
If you guys checked out any of my videos, you would know what that's from. It's the weirdest ass video ever.
Dude, I'm gonna get like an actual studio set up, so.
Yeah, and I'm gonna be like...
And hopefully I get more subscribers. Please subscribe. We need it. Subscribe to Cameron
Yo,
too.
there it is.
Cameron.
That's not me.
Man, try to look it up himself and it's a black bird.
This one's it.
I'm going to be making
Look at these created ass playlists. What the hell?
more videos
Whoa.
about
That's concerning. I'm watching you. That's a little concerning.
just
Hold on, I posted that,
memes.
but still. Oh, look at this. This is
Proof
actually...
that I am Spider-Man.
You.
Cameron Stokes is...
That's not my voice.
Oh my god, that
Listen to my voice.
this is horrible. I guess we're just react.
Cameron Stokes is
Look at me.
Spider-Man. Now my cousin... Right there, my cousin...
Bro, look at this slow ass.
They're going to be recording it.
Yes.
Right here.
Bro, you had a deeper voice than me. What the fuck? He's like, yes. He's like, yes.
I don't know if
Just
y'all
like
could
this,
see it, but
like
it's
this.
like
Hold it.
I know this video is not gonna be good. I know it's not.
Can't see.
I
Just like that.
I scaled the wall.
Just like that.
You know you can flip your camera around.
No, I can't.
Tap twice.
Yeah, but if I tap twice, it doesn't do anything. It's not doing anything. It
I'll fix
doesn't
your
work.
I help you.
Bro, my man's trying to.
Look at me go.
I don't want to look at you go. Hit your head.
I'm gonna slide down.
Oh.
Look at my toes. They literally bended. They went. Look at my toe, the right toes.
Yeah, soon I'll be making videos of Cameron and I just, you know.
All my videos were with Brody.
Subscribe,
Oh, let's see
comment,
this house tour.
please
I was
like,
stoked.
hit the what?
Oh, I'm fucking done.
Oh, I'm fucking done. Hit the
Oh
like
no,
button.
what is this? Oh, let's see what this is.
I'll see you guys, man.